And we are just crossing live to the pictures that we are getting from Gujarat. It is the BJP President Amit Shah who will be holding a road show. And those are the pictures as well that are coming in at this point in time, where Amit Shah too is on a campaign overdrive. Let me straight away go across to Priyanka, who is joining us live at this point in time. So it is the BJP show of strength, Priyanka. And especially when we are talking about BJP, it comes synonymous with the powers that it continues to hold in the state of Gujarat. All 26 seats are in the name of the BJP. Tell us more about the live pictures that we are witnessing right now.
Amita, what you see behind me is the BJP President Amit Shah right there on the tempo. Another road show that the BJP President will be carrying out here from the, from the Sarkhej area as well, a constituency from where he had been elected an MLA 3 times. So, of course, what you see is another road show that is going to commence very, very soon from this particular temple here, and then will be going on towards entire the city of Ahmedabad. He will be covering several other areas inside of the city of Ahmedabad, and he will be addressing the people as he walks on. So this is not a formal rally that will go on by of Amit Shah. This will just be a road show where he will be addressing the people as he moves, because what you see are a lot of people who have gathered to just see the BJP president really start his road show and go on throughout the day. This particular constituency itself is a very, very close and a very, very emotionally important for Amit Shah to really campaign in, because he had been elected from here an MLA till 2007 from the Sarkhej constituency as well. So this is going to be a very important road show as well, Amita, because as you see in this frame, as you see the BJP President Amit Shah making his way towards starting this particular road show. And it's going to be a massive road show. It's not just one. There are 2 road shows that are going to happen throughout the day. One is starting right now. Another one will be in the evening at around 5:30. So you have only road shows that are being organized. But like you said, it's very, very important. But like you said, Amita, it's very, very important for the BJP to really, campaign here.
Yes.
And like you said, the last time they had gotten 26 out of 26 seats. But it remains to be seen whether or not this time they will be able to repeat that as it happened in 2014. So that is, that is the attempt that we see being made to actually campaign. The BJP president coming here Saturday as well. He was here, and now, just 1 week later, another massive road show of the BJP president that you see.
So amongst all the chanting and the slogans that are being raised, these are the live pictures of BJP President Amit Shah. And this time, once again, he is on his home turf. He's in Gujarat. He's in Ahmedabad. And we have been getting you all the live coverage as well. What the people on ground are thinking about the elections this time, whether it would be a BJP versus the Congress party, or BJP once again will sweep through the elections when it comes to the Lok Sabha seats. There are 26 of them. And in 2014, all 26 seats went in the favor of the BJP. Will history be repeated at this time or not? This is something that on 23rd of May, the results will be out. But Priyanka, who continues to be with us, and Priyanka, as far as your coverage is concerned on election news and reports, you have been covering and talking to the people from Ahmedabad, the youth there. So far, what have you been able to pick up on ground as far as will it be a BJP versus Congress, or will it be a clean sweep once again by the BJP?
Well, Amita, let's talk about the facts, because we had Congress MLAs who had been denying tickets, who had been saying by themselves that no, we don't want to fight on the Congress seat because we know we will lose. That alone speaks volumes as to the Congress also anticipating a major loss in the state of Gujarat, because they themselves know that Gujarat is a home state of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and of Amit Shah as well. And, we have actually the mayor right here. Let's talk to her. Ma'am, Amit Shah ji की रैली हो रही है. Last Saturday भी हुई थी. अभी हम यही पूछ रहे थे कि आपको लगता है बीजेपी का 26 out of 26 आ पाएगा इस बार, या कांग्रेस 2-3 सीटें ले जाएगी?
कंफर्म न्यूज़ है कि गुजरात की तरफ से 26 में से 26 कमल हम नरेंद्र भाई को सुपुर्द करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि इस बार हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अमित शाह जी यहाँ के गुजरात के जो पनौते पुत्र हैं.
आपको लगता है ये गुजरातियों के लिए भी एक पॉइंट ऑफ प्राइड जैसा बन गया है कि बीजेपी प्रेसिडेंट गुजरात से लड़ रहे हैं?
जी जरूर, वही मैं बता रही हूँ कि गुजरात के सभी नगरजनों के लिए ये एक प्राउड की बात है कि उनके अध्यक्ष और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष और उनके पनौते पुत्र आज गुजरात से जब चुनाव लड़ने जा रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए बहुत प्राउड की बात.
कांग्रेस के एमएलए खुद ही बोल रहे हैं कि हम कांग्रेस की सीट से नहीं लड़ेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता है हम हार जाएंगे.
नेचुरल है मैडम कि कौन हारने के लिए तैयार होगा, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि उनकी डिपॉजिट भी जब्त होने वाली है, तो लड़ने के लिए वो रेडी नहीं है.
All right, so that was the Ahmedabad mayor and talking about how yes, it's a point of pride for the Gujaratis that Amit Shah is fighting from Gujarat. He is the BJP president, but more than that, he is a leader who has been born out of Gujarat. So of course, an emotional attachment of the people with Amit Shah is obviously there, especially in this particular constituency where he was elected 3-time MLAs till 2007 as well. So that of course is something that people are really rejoicing about. They're saying that yes, we are going to make Amit Shah winner from Gandhinagar once again, and we will get him more vote share than it was when LK Advani was contesting from Gandhinagar, because Amita, we had been talking about for this for quite some time that Gandhinagar is a prestigious constituency for BJP, because they had been winning Gandhinagar since 1989, and 1998 to 2014 is when LK Advani had been winning with a margin more than 60% vote share. So that of course is a very, very important constituency for Gandhinagar, and this is also being looked at as a passing of the baton from LK Advani to Amit Shah. So that of course is a very, very important seat for Gandhinagar. But Amita, because Amit Shah here in Gujarat is not just about the constituency of Gandhinagar, Amit Shah in Gujarat also symbolizes that yes, the fight is on for all 26 constituencies, and like you heard the mayor as well saying that yes, it is not just about Gandhinagar. We are confident that we are going to win again 26 out of 26 seats. I'd like to stay with the visuals, because a lot of people gathering here, a lot of people, locals, BJP workers, all of them walking with Amit Shah.
And tell us more about the route, Priyanka, because where exactly in Ahmedabad and the distance that Amit Shah will be covering in this road show. And talk us more about Ahmedabad. Why is it also crucial? Because it is Amit Shah who himself belongs to the state of Gujarat, and it's really like a homecoming for him.
Well, Amita, it's a very, very important city for Amit as well, because this is where he had started as a booth worker in the BJP. He has been time and time again saying in his speeches that he, as a normal karyakarta, a normal booth worker from Navrangpura, he had started working from there, and that's why he has worked his way up towards being a BJP president, a national BJP president, and that's what he keeps talking about, how there is a democracy in the BJP, and that how every common party worker can, with hard work and dedication, become the president one day. So that is the kind of sentiment and the emotional attachment that we see of the BJP president with Gandhinagar, of course. But, we will in the coming days also see Amit Shah carrying out rallies across the state.
Shah on his home turf in Gujarat. Right now, he is campaigning in Ahmedabad and sounding the poll bugle in Gujarat, because it is like a homecoming for Amit Shah. This time he is replacing and the big shoes that he needs to fill in when it comes to the all-important seat of Gandhinagar that he's been given a ticket from to contest. And even when filing the nomination papers, you had the entire NDA strength who had accompanied Amit Shah when it comes to the LJP chief. also Ramvilas Paswan. It was the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Shiv Sena as well. And today it looks quite similar of the scenes that were witnessed in Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. It is Amit Shah on a political campaign that he is now covering.